Struggling with thin, lifeless hair? What if I told you that the secret to thick, vibrant hair is already sitting in your kitchen? Stick around to discover how rosemary oil can transform your hair. What if I told you that there's a natural remedy you already have at home that could give you the thick, beautiful hair you've always wanted? I'm talking about something so simple, so powerful, and so affordable, you'll wonder why you never tried it before. If you've been frustrated with your hair, if you've tried countless treatments that just don't work, this could be your turning point. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 incredible benefits of rosemary oil for hair growth that you absolutely need to know, and how it can change everything for your hair. Stick around, and click the link below to get the free guide about rosemary oil for hair growth home remedy. But before we dive in, let me tell you this, you're about to learn something you've probably never heard of before. And trust me, it could be the key to unlocking the beautiful, strong hair you've been dreaming about. Let's face it, dealing with hair loss, thinning, or slow hair growth can feel like a never-ending struggle. You've tried the expensive shampoos, the pills, the oils, the treatments that promise miraculous results, only to be left feeling frustrated, disappointed, and out of options. Maybe you've even tried spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on professional treatments, yet nothing changes. It's a deep, emotional frustration that hits at your self-esteem. Every day you stand in front of the mirror, and you wonder, why is my hair so thin? Why isn't it growing? Why doesn't it look the way I want it to? I get it. That feeling of helplessness and disappointment. It's real. And it's a problem that most people don't know how to solve. You're not alone in this. But what if I told you that there's something natural, something incredibly simple, that could transform your hair from thin, weak, and lifeless to thick, vibrant, and healthy? A remedy that not only works, but works fast? Now, I know what you're thinking. If it were that easy, wouldn't everyone be doing it? Well, the truth is, most people don't know the powerful benefits of rosemary oil, let alone how it can help with hair growth. But here's the thing, this isn't some miracle product, it's actually been used for centuries by people all over the world. Yet, it remains one of the best kept secrets when it comes to hair growth. So, if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll reveal not 1, not 2, but 5 powerful ways rosemary oil can transform your hair, and why you need to start using it today. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started immediately. Let's dive into the 5 powerful benefits of rosemary oil for hair growth. You won't believe how simple this remedy is, yet how effective it truly is. First, rosemary oil increases blood flow to the scalp. It's one of the key reasons why rosemary oil is so powerful for hair growth. When blood circulation improves, your hair follicles receive the nutrients and oxygen they need to thrive. This helps your hair grow faster, stronger, and healthier. Imagine waking up every day to see new growth on your scalp that was once a barren, thinning area. Second, rosemary oil strengthens hair follicles, preventing breakage and hair loss. This is crucial because weak hair follicles are often the root cause of thinning hair. By using rosemary oil regularly, you can prevent further damage and improve the overall health of your hair. Third, rosemary oil has been shown to increase hair thickness. This means that your hair will not only grow faster, but it will also become thicker and fuller as it grows. Say goodbye to those thin, lifeless strands, and hello to strong, voluminous hair. Fourth, rosemary oil has the ability to block DHT, dihydrotestosterone, the hormone linked to hair thinning and loss. By reducing the effects of DHT on your hair follicles, rosemary oil can help prevent hair loss and encourage new hair growth. This is a game changer, especially if you've been struggling with thinning hair for years. And fifth, rosemary oil helps balance oil production and maintains a healthy scalp. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. When your scalp is nourished and free from excess oil or dryness, it creates the perfect environment for hair to grow. You'll notice your scalp feeling fresh and clean, and your hair growing in its natural, beautiful state. So, there you have it, 5 powerful benefits of rosemary oil that can help you achieve the thicker, stronger, and healthier hair you've been dreaming of. And the best part? It's incredibly simple and affordable to start using it right away. Now, let me introduce you to something that takes these remedies to the next level, True Varan. This innovative formula uses full-spectrum hemp extract with high levels of varins, combined with patented PureSorb technology to ensure it absorbs 79% more effectively into your scalp. Unlike greasy oils or foams that leave you feeling sticky, True Varan sprays on as a lightweight mist and feels just like water. It's packed with peppermint for that refreshing, cooling tingle and a subtle scent you'll love. True Varan isn't just about stopping hair loss. It works to restore hormonal balance, improve scalp health, and give you the thick, silky, shiny hair you've been dreaming of. Picture this, running your fingers through a full head of soft, shiny, healthy hair. No more strands clogging your brush. No more avoiding mirrors. Instead, you'll feel confident, radiant, and ready to face the world. That's the power of using these natural remedies and integrating a groundbreaking solution like True Varan. The first step to regrowing your hair starts here. Discover the secret to healthier, more vibrant hair. Click the link right below this video to learn all about True Varan and how it can transform your hair care routine. Now, you might be wondering, how do I start using rosemary oil for my hair? It's simple. Click the link below this video to get the free guide about rosemary oil for hair growth home remedy. You'll find the exact product I use and recommend to get the best results. Don't wait another day. Take control of your hair's future and start experiencing the benefits of rosemary oil today. Your hair will thank you. Imagine a life where you no longer have to hide behind hats or worry about your hair thinning out more each day. Picture yourself standing in front of the mirror, running your fingers through thick, full hair that you're proud to show off. Imagine the confidence you'll feel when people start complimenting you on your gorgeous hair. All of this is within your reach, starting with the simple, powerful solution of rosemary oil. It's time for a transformation. Click the link below, and take the first step toward the healthy, beautiful hair you deserve. Don't let another bad hair day hold you back. Take control of your hair's health now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and let's help more people live their healthiest, best lives. Start living your healthiest, best life today with Vital Life.